right, how are we handling Mr. Chapman?
Your Honor, at this time, Mr. Chapman will be pleading guilty to 1 count of impaired driving and responsible to 2 counts of double parking.
Do you solemnly swear to tell the truth, sir?
I can't hear. What did you say?
I said, do you swear to tell the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
You operating a vehicle in the city of Inkster back on May 20th, 2021, after you had some alcohol to drink?
Yes, ma'am.
And
But I was drinking at my boy's house. It was my birthday. I was drinking at my boy's house, and he didn't have it. Yeah, he didn't have a ride home.
Yeah, but you know that even on your birthday, you can't drink and drive, right?
Yes, ma'am. I wasn't trying to drink and drive. I was just trying to celebrate my birthday. You know what I'm saying? And I wasn't trying to drink and drive or reckless driving or none of it.
Mr. Chapman, just listen to my question.
Yes, ma'am.
So you had something to drink, got behind the wheel, and then you were brought to the police attention because let's see, they look at the report. You got into an accident.
Yes, I was trying to back. I was trying to back. I was trying to put my car into reverse, and I didn't see the car behind me, and I kind of like, I didn't hit it hard, but I kind of like ticked it, and she got mad.
Yes, I would too. And when the police arrived, you told them that you had been drinking because it was your birthday. They asked you to step out of the vehicle, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And they asked you to perform some tests, like counting backwards. And when you got to, they told you to count backwards from 69 to 53, and you went way past 69, got to 61, before you realized that you were counting in the wrong direction. You remember that?
I don't remember counting around. I remember I had to blow into the test with the blow detector.
Yeah, okay, well, let's go there. You blew into that, and you had a result of. Do you remember what your result was?
Your Honor, we stipulate to it.
Okay.
I can't remember. It's been so long.
Okay, hold on. Oh, they couldn't get a sample from you because you weren't blowing in the tube. So they woke me up and I signed a search warrant for your blood. You went to the hospital, they took your blood. You remember that? Hello?
Yes, I'm sorry. What did you say?
Remember they took you to the hospital, took your blood?
Yes.
Okay. And you stipulate that the blood test result was above the legal limit. Is that correct?
That's correct, Your Honor.
All right. So, Mr. Chapman, pursuant
Yes,
to
ma'am.
statute, you have to meet with the probation department. They interview you. They do a report for me so that I can sentence you appropriately. So, sir, do you have something to write with? Because we're going to give you a date.
Well, I have to go to probation.
Yes. Yes. They're going to interview you. They will complete a report that I will review and sentence you. So, my original question is, do you have something to write with? Because we're going to give you some information.
Okay. You said sentence. Well, I'm going to jail or something?
No.
Mr. Chapman, do you have something to write with?
Yes.
You have to meet with me in person, December 20th at 12:30 p.m. You have to come here to the courthouse.
in this situation, I wouldn't try to be in this situation. You know what I'm saying? 'Cause it's my first time being in this situation, and I'm sorry for being careless and stuff in my driving. Is there any way I can get it? Is there any way I can get a restricted license? I can just drive to work and go home.
That would come through the Secretary of State. That decision comes from another department. We'll see you on the 20th. Thank you, sir. People versus Williams.
Yes, here I am.
All right, good morning. How are we doing with Miss Williams?
Your Honor, respectfully, San Bernardino, P62186, Your Honor. Your Honor, I had the opportunity to speak with the city attorney. He understands that Ms. Williams has complied and taken care of her outstanding matters, and he's agreed to reduce this to 2 counts of double parking. Ms.
No
Williams is
way.
under the impression that this court told her if she resolved the matters, then this court would dismiss the cases. So I
That's
guess
right.
Mrs. Williams wants to speak with you, Your Honor.
Yes.
What would you like me to know?
That I was under the impression that, first of all, I got a ticket for my car. I don't even go nowhere, or hardly. And I thought that I didn't know it was against the law. They didn't send me my registration in the mail, so I didn't know that the car was the license plate wasn't no good. And my car sits up, I don't go nowhere.
But you know that you have to have it registered.
Like I say, they did not send me no registration or nothing in the mail. I didn't know what was going on. Cause you know, since COVID, they blame everything on that and they do all kind of stuff. So when I got the ticket,
Your plate didn't expire until February 26th of 2021.
my birthday in July.
So the plate expired February 26, 2021.
See, I didn't know that. All this stuff, I did not know. I do not drive my car.
Do you have the plate now? Is the plate
Yes.
registered?
Yes, I got everything.
Now?
Yes, I got it.
Your matter's dismissed. Have a nice day, Ms. Williams.
Thank you so much.
Mr. Whistler, thank you for your patience. This is case number 21-05950D. Tell me your full name for the record.
Justin Patrick Whistler.
Mr. Whistler, this is a date and time scheduled for your probation violation. The probation department has reported to this court that you tested positive for cocaine on November 2nd, 2021, and you failed to test on November 22nd, 2021. You have the right, sir, to ask for a hearing where I would take testimony from both the probation department as well as yourself if you choose to make a statement, or you can accept responsibility by pleading guilty to the violation and stand ready for sentencing. What is your pleasure?
Your Honor, I would stand guilty for sentencing, and I'm sorry for everything.
Okay, hold on. Are you able to get on camera, sir? Can you raise your right hand? I want to swear you in. Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you're about to give will be the truth?
I swear, Your Honor, testimony is true.
Say that one more time.
I'm sorry, the testimony is the truth.
Okay. All right. So did you test positive for cocaine on November 2nd? Did you test positive for cocaine on November 2nd?
Your Honor, I'm not sure. I don't think so. You know, I did all my tests and everything. I work full time. I got the money to pay my fines. I've been going to classes for AA, all that.
I asked one question. Are you able to answer that one question? Otherwise, I have to have a hearing. Did you test positive for cocaine, sir?
Your Honor, I'm not sure. I don't do the tests or nothing, but I don't know. I have like anxiety problems and I did party. I did do cocaine. It might have been in my system. So probably yes, Your Honor. I have no,
Why did you fail to test on November 22nd?
oh, I haven't, my phone, I lost my phone and I had the calls. They called me up or text me. I totally lost my phone and I didn't have the paperwork to call up for jams.
All right. Court is going to find you guilty of the violation, reinstate your probation, order you to complete 6 days jail for the violation. You could schedule that through the probation department. And there's also a violation fee of $200.
Your Honor, if I check into like rehab or anything, like I don't do good in jail. Like I will check in at rehab and send the papers. Like, please, like I don't do good in jail. Like, especially right now with coronavirus, everything the highest has been. I work full time. I can pay. I got the money.
It's not about the money.
I know it's.
ordered not to, you were in front of me on a drunk driving case, and I ordered you to have no drugs and alcohol. You just admitted that you were partying. So
Yes, Your Honor.
you were using cocaine in direct violation of my order. It had to go through your mind that I'm testing and I might come up dirty. And if I violate the probation, I might go to jail. You didn't think about all of that. You partied.
Yes, Your Honor, but I don't. I'm honest. I work full time. I don't hurt anybody. Like
That's what
I'm not
we'll
I make horrible mistakes. My ex in the past burnt down my home with 2 kids. Like my whole life's been horrible. I try my hardest and I never had counseling. Like jail's not gonna help me get it better. I need like counseling or go to
I disagree.
like some kind of services will help me better than jail.
Listen, you're not listening, Mr. Whistler. I allowed you to schedule that through probation, so you do 1 weekend day or 2 weekends. Wait, that's 6 days, 3 weekends. They don't have to be consecutive. You just have to schedule them during the term of your probation.
Thank you.
But there has to be a consequence for you.
I understand. I appreciate it. I'm sorry. I appreciate you. Thank you so much.
Mr. Whistler, your next probation appointment in person is January 20th at 10 o'clock. You have to go reinstate yourself with jams ASAP.
Oh, I got one more question before you guys cut me off. I'm gonna cut off from my driving. Like, how long am I cut off from being able to drive? Because
I would discuss that with you on January 20th.
Okay, thank you.
January 20th, and reinstate yourself with jams.
Okay, thank you.